Good day, students. So this is a series of video I am going to make to assist you in making the best out of the online class situation you are faced with right now. So this video, first of all, will tell you the apps that you must have or you should have to take full advantage of this online class. So this is my Android setup because a lot of you are using your learn book, your tablets, mobile phones. So, and majority, from what I understand, majority of you are on Android interface. So this is my Android. The first thing that you have to know, for you to install any application, you need to go to what you call a Play Store. It looks like a triangle. So I am going to go on the Play Store, and the first app I want you to install, if you have not done so yet, is Google Classroom. So I need you to type on the search box Classroom or Google Classroom, and as you type, it will narrow it down for you, filter it, and this is how it looks. Now I already have Google Classroom installed, so you will see the options you will see on my screen is uninstall and open. But on your case, if you have not installed it as yet, you will see install. So I want you to click install for you to install Classroom. So in Classroom, this is where all your classes will be posted. And then the next one, to use with Google Classroom, most likely you will be asked to use Google Docs, a word processing software. So you will be using Google Docs. So we are going to search for Google Docs, and this is how it looks. A sheet of paper in blue, and you have Google Docs. And again, it says open on mine. That's because I have it installed. And what you'll also want to download is Microsoft Word, because some of although in Google Doc is going to convert Microsoft Word format into Google format, and you can edit it right away. But some of you might want to, especially the EDPM students, I understand that you are using Microsoft Word, so you might want to download this one as well, in addition to the Google Docs. And my IT students, we are using Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. So go ahead and click on these two and download it as well. So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet, and a lot of book I give my IT students is in Google Sheet. So same way you search for the Google Docs, I want you to search for Google Sheet. Basically, it's a Google version of a spreadsheet, and I want you to click install. Mine says open because I already installed it. Below there they give you recommended or similar apps or recommended apps that you can use along. So again, they will tell you Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, or Microsoft Word. Right. There are one more set of productivity software that I need you to install, and it's a presentation software. So first one will be from Google. So let's type Google Slide. This is especially for my IT students, and a lot of teachers, maybe it's good for English as well. They might be doing drag and drop or matching kind of exercise, and we can use the Google Slide for this. So this is one of the must-have app on my list. So make sure you install Google Slide. And this might be just for my IT students, but I would, especially the Form 1s and 2s, I would like you to install Microsoft PowerPoint as well. because that's our topic for the term. So these are the main set of softwares that we are going to use to do your work. However, I'm going to recommend two extra applications which you might need to communicate. First one is Zoom, and you know what Zoom is. So a lot of teachers are having Zoom classes, so make sure you have Zoom installed. And another alternative to Zoom is Google Meet. So look for Meet, Google Meet, and click install. And now when everything is installed, it's going to, according to how you have it set up, it's going to create an icon to the next available spot. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure you download all the apps that you need, and I'll see you in the next video.